tree hints on FindMyPast are a new to FindMyPast tool to help you to compare your tree with others. And although the ability to compare your tree with other researchers is not something new in genealogy, FindMyPast has a different take on things, and you're going to want to know what they are. So when you open up FindMyPast after logging in, there's a couple of ways you might be able to find these hints. The first way is, well, it could be attached to one of these hints that are showing up on the home page. And you click on that, and then you click on hints, and there's a tree hint. Another way that you can access tree hints is click on Family Tree, view all trees, and then select a tree that you have been researching. I clicked on Townsend, and I clicked on one of the people in this family tree. And when I clicked there, I clicked hints, and there you go. There's a tree to go ahead and look at. So let's go ahead and click on the tree. So as you would expect in any tree-to-tree comparison option on online trees, what you're going to see on one side is the suggestion, and on the other side, you're going to see what's in your family tree. The one thing that makes FindMyPast different is that they definitely emphasize privacy. And in so doing, a couple of things you need to keep in mind, and then use that information to then apply it to your research. The first thing is that other members on FindMyPast must select that their tree is open to be searched, and you have to do the same thing as well for these tree-to-tree hints to take place. But the one thing that you're not going to be able to tell when you're working on the FindMyPast tree-to-trees, what did anybody base these sources off of? So the guidance from FindMyPast researchers and programmers is that only use the tree-to-tree hints as suggestions. And if the suggestions pan out, then go ahead and accept that hint. The other thing you're not going to know is who put the tree together. So you're going to have to do some more digging, but at least you have some clues to start with. So with that in mind, when you make a determination that a tree has accurate information, let's go through the process of using those trees. So I have to make a decision that this tree is accurate. So I'm going to head and say yes, accept, right over here. Once I do that, I now can decide bit by bit which information I want to keep and which information I want to reject. So you can go ahead and go through the process and select the bits of information that you find new and promising. So here, I know that he died in 1889, although sometimes I say 1890 in training videos. He died in 1889 in Obet Cemetery in Hamilton, Franklin County, the United States. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that information over. On both trees, they have the same information of being a part of the 1880 census. His death information, so this is his burial information. Here's his death information. I'm going to go ahead and overwrite that date. Remember, sometimes when I'm training, I put in the wrong date. His residence in 1860, that's new information. Now, this tree has information about what his father's name was. So I can go ahead and look through this and say, that actually looks right. He was born in Maryland, and he likely died before 1860 because nobody can find William James Townsend's dad anywhere. And then this was some of the information that I have come across for Nancy Litch. And I can just keep going through bit by bit, bringing over information about William and his family. So once I've finished using all the tree-to-tree hints, I can go ahead, save my changes to my tree, and now I have new information and new people thanks to other researchers on FindMyPast. So I'm going to go to the tree, view on tree. I'm going to use the family tree view. And now I have William and Nancy. I already have some more hints popping up and populating. As soon as you make a change, FindMyPast starts looking for new records that might be of value to your research. So if you have further questions about FindMyPast, I invite you to drop those in the comments section below this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe. We can't wait to share more videos with you. If you want previous videos on how to use FindMyPast, click the top play option, and for our latest video, click the video at the bottom.